This is a transistor. A transistor comes in many variants. But in this video we are going to discuss BJT, bipolar junction transistors. So what is a transistor? Transistor is a type of a semiconductor device that can be used to both conduct and insulate electric current or voltage. A transistor basically acts as a switch. Or a transistor can also act as an amplifier. A transistor contains 3 pins labeled as E, B, C. The left pin is called emitter pin. The middle pin is called the base pin. And the right pin is called the collector pin. But it can be different on different variation of transistor. So do check the label indicated on the transistor. So why do you need a transistor? Imagine you have a bulb connected with a battery. You can control the current with the help of a switch. But how will we automate this? For that we need a transistor. The transistor is blocking the flow of current. Because of that the light is off. To continue the flow of current in main circuit, we need to provide a small current in the base pin. By providing a small current in the base, the current will start flowing in the main circuit, and the light will turn on. You can use a switch or a motion sensor to control the flow. We need to apply 0.6 to 0.7 volt in the base pin. The transistor also works as an amplifier. So let's assume we are providing base pin 1 ampere current and getting 100 amp as collector current. So if take ratio of collector current and base current, we will get current gain, which is 100 in our case. There are mainly 2 type of bipolar junction transistor, NPN and PNP. Let's see the circuit of NPN transistor. In this we have 2 circuit, the main circuit and the control circuit. In the control circuit we have a switch. So if we turn on the switch, the current will start flowing in the circuit, and the LED will glow. If we remove main circuit from the collector, the current will stop flowing in the main circuit, but the control circuit will still work. The current flowing in the base pin is 5 amp. The current flowing in collector pin is 20 amp. And the current flowing through the emitter pin is 25 amp. So in NPN transistor, the emitter combines the base current and the collector current. Now let's see PNP transistor. In PNP transistor we also have 1 main circuit and 1 control circuit. In PNP transistor, the battery positive is connected to the emitter pin, supplying 25 amp, and gets divided into base pin 5 amp, and collector pin 20 amp. So in PNP transistor, the current gets divided. I hope you found this video informative. Do check out calsob.com for home automation products.